Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a credit card with Charles Schwab, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect a credit card with Charles Schwab, start by opening your internet browser. Go to the Charles Schwab website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select Add a new account from the drop-down options. Choose credit card from the list of available account types. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the cardholder's name as it appears on the card. Next, input your billing address associated with the credit card. Review the information for accuracy, as mistakes can cause connection issues. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to proceed. You may receive a verification prompt, which could involve a text message or email. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. After verification, the system will process your request. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message on your account dashboard. Your credit card is now successfully connected to your Charles Schwab account. You can view transactions and manage your credit card through the account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Charles Schwab customer support. This process ensures that managing your finances becomes more streamlined. Connecting your credit card can enhance your banking experience with Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.